Well, temporarily restricted from sending messages on Messenger? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Messenger send failed or how you can fix your temporarily restricted account. First, let's talk about why this error occurs. Facebook Messenger sometimes shows a temporarily blocked error when you send a message. Now, this could be because of a particular reason or a combination of reasons that Facebook saw fit to temporarily block some of your actions to ensure you comply with Facebook's community standards. This temporarily block can range from a few hours to a maximum of 21 days. Now, it might be due to various of reasons. Now, the first is you might have sent a lot of messages to random Facebook accounts, or your messages go against Facebook community standards, or something you posted was in violation of Facebook policy. Now, how can you avoid this? It is important to note that it is only temporary even though you are blocked. So don't worry, you can wait and it will get blocked eventually within few hours to 21 days. Now, however, if you think that you were wrongly accused and you were wrongly banned, what you can do is open up Messenger and head into your profile. Now, if you scroll down below, you'll find the option report technical problem. Now tap on it and head into report a problem, and you can include or don't include and it'll create a report. Now here, describe what you want to say. Now you can just say my account was banned by mistake, or I've been temporarily banned by mistake. I didn't violate any rules and regulations, and select the problem related to and then send it to Messenger, and they'll probably get back to you in 24 to 48 hours time, and they should be able to help you. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget, leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.